following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 10:30 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Montrose Harbor to 6 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Indiana. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunder